how to use animation on Krita. So what we're gonna do is about be really satisfied with something that we have to start to realize on it. So what we're gonna do is about follow this video about to be understood on something that we can start to make it cited more important than usual. So as you can see, we're gonna start to open the animation timeline Docker and about to add here on the side where the Docker is a frames of animations that it's still to be right here. Beyond that, you add frames to animation layer, you draw frame by frame or for use the onion skin, you press play to review the animation on it, and that is all about to that is about right here. The another two options of animation, and instead of animation curves and animation timeline, you have onion skins. It's really absolutely one of sites that it helps you in animation. So I think you click on play after you finish your work on that onion skin Docker with drawing frame by frame.